everything is on GPS, GPRS. If you try to turn it to LTE and turn it back, it won't. What a frustrating network is it? 3G saying. Oh yeah, sorry guys, there's a whole network thing. So as promised, today I'm going to show you guys how I get this entire setup for less than 100 Ghana cedis. 100 Ghana cedis is actually, let's say $10 or $11 or whatever. Let's say $10. I will show you guys everything, and then you can use your phone to start your own YouTube, whatever. Because the quality I get when I use my phone, like it's not bad. It's not bad at all. And there are some apps in the App Store you can actually get, and it will help you. It will enable you to make the camera behave like a digital camera. You can dial in the settings and everything, and that helps because the light is going to listen to you. The camera is not, the sensor in the camera is not going to decide. 32 f8.6. Wait, I didn't hit record or what? Well, so that is another light that I added. So if you look over here, you see that there's a green cast thing here. So I have plans of adding another light. I'll put that over here somewhere. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. And I keep looking over here because I'm monitoring what the camera is recording on my laptop with the software, whatever thing. So let me take my battery is almost dead. Let me take a video of what I'm telling you guys and show you. So that's the camera. Pardon me, this is all, I'm moving, so I'm just packing stuff and shit, whatever. And that is what I'm looking at whenever I look over here. So yeah, that's it. That's my place. Ooh, that's my dinner or whatever. Yeah, so that's it's just a bunch of stuff, my camera, whatever stuff. Yeah, it's quite simple. It's just a table, lights, and more lights. I'll show you guys. So yeah, it's not that difficult. Everybody can do it. Anybody can do it. But try not to go electrocute yourself. If you die, you die on your own terms. I don't care. I'm sorry about this. I need to eat, otherwise it's getting late. I think it's almost 11 p.m. so I have to eat. I'm sorry, but whatever. Sorry, but I'm full now. So now I can finish the video. Before I move on, you need to think about audio. I don't know if you guys can see this, but you can have the best video ever. You can have the best camera, the best lights, everything. If your audio sucks, it won't make any sense because humans like associating what we see with what we hear. It's weird. It's complex visual cinematography stuff, but yeah, the audio, in most cases, audio is actually better than the video quality or whatever. So think about that. I don't know if yeah, I put my headphones here hoping to explain something. You guys will understand a lot when I show you the behind the scenes, everything. So you see this? It has a microphone here. These are the headphones and this is the microphone. So when you put it on and you're talking, the microphone goes here. So if you're using your phone, you can put this on. Forget everything and put this on. So the audio, or worst case scenario, you can wear it under your dress. Like, let's say under this t-shirt, you wear it and you tie the headphones to the back so that the microphone is hiding in your dress. So imagine this is my bare body and I wear the dress on it. Then the cable goes into the phone. So your audio will be much better than just speaking to the camera. So imagine if your camera is about 5 or 6 feet away from you or something, I don't know. Obviously the camera is not going to record the best audio. So if you can get a longer microphone or maybe one of those Bluetooth headsets that you can speak through or whatever, I don't know, figure out a way to improve your audio. That's the number one thing. Number two is the video quality, the lights and stuff like that. So like I said, you see this? That is one of the lights. That's the other one. Let me show you guys this first. And I put the hat on there because it blocks like if you can see this, it blocks the lights from coming towards me like this. See how it's coming towards me? But if I put the hat on it, see, it's called blocking. I do that so that the light doesn't spill the green light. I don't want it on me, otherwise it will become like, as you see over here, see, it's like green light stuff. I don't want that. What I want is the light to illuminate the backs or whatever. You can use your handkerchief or whatever just to cover it so that it doesn't spill towards this way, it just goes that way. So yeah, you can use that. And this is the other one. Let me try and, I don't know how I'm going to get that video from there and put it on whatever. Ooh, shit, God damn it. Okay, so this is it, that's so cute. This is it. Just regular bedroom lights, bedroom bulbs or whatever. You get 4 of these. Yeah, 4 of these. 2 here, 1 here, 1 here, or 1 in the back, 1 on the side, and then two will go 2 will go into your lights. So this is this is 20 watts. This is regular bulb they sell in the electrical store around. This is 20 watts. You can get 100 watts if you can get it, whatever. I mean, if you get 100 watts, I think 2 will be fine, or even 1 will be fine, but it will just go here. So you need a small one to do the thing this one's are doing. And this is regular bedroom lamp holder thing with regular flexible wire and a plug. That's it. That's the secret. That is the only thing that makes my videos any different from other people, whatever. That's how I light my stuff. So I didn't get an electrician. I did it myself because I'm a bit technical or whatever. So, but be careful you don't electrocute yourself. Electricity is not your friend. It will just kill you. As I'm speaking to you, my feet are on the ground. I'm dead scared. I'm touching only plastic. I don't want to touch any metallic thing because it's still on. This is how I'm able to change the colors all the time. So my room is actually gray. Everywhere is gray, light gray color, whatever. So I use regular plastic bag that when you buy stuff from outside, whatever they put it in. I have a ton of colors. Like I have a bunch of colors. There's blue, there's, I don't know what this one is, teal or whatever. I don't know. There's yellow, and there's red, then there's purple, then there's white, whatever. I don't know. The green is also on. The green is on this. So that's how I just cover it with the lights, like with the bulb, and it just changes. I don't know. I open it up, right? And I wrap it around the light, and I put a rubber band around it. Most times I leave it like that, I just don't do anything. Just put it over there, turn it on, boom, that's it. Then I make sure the light is right behind me, like so it's out of your view, so you don't see it, but I see it. Then if I want to add the other one, I add it and stuff. So if you can see, the green is over here, and whatever blue, teal, or whatever sky color that is behind me is down there. Stuff. If you look close enough, you see my socket is right. The plug is right there. This is confusing. Yeah, that's it, right? I don't know which, right? Yes, right there. That's it, right there. So when I'm recording verticals, right? I just push my light. I have to tell you guys about this light. So this light is a softbox that I have lying around, right? And there's you see the bulb I showed you, there's 2 of them in there with the same lighting thing, and it's so that's the softbox is kind of big, and the bulbs are on there. It's been plugged from, yes, that's a plug. This is going there. That if you look closely, you see the wires over there. It's in there. Yeah, and that's how I record. Number 1 secret is, well, number 3. We talk about audio, we talk about lighting, and then to get this effect really well, positioning is everything. So let's just say that, okay, this is me, right? This is the camera, and yeah, this is the table, That's me. This is this table. This is me. This is the camera, right? And this is the wall. The distance between me and the wall is almost always around 5 feet to 6 feet. If I try to stretch, see, I'm still not touched. Ooh, wow. So you have to keep separation between you and the camera, and then you and the background. So you need to have at least 10 feet. I guess maybe 10 to 8 to 10 feet space to get the best effect on this. Because if I was sitting there, like, you see how it's casting a shadow on here and stuff, this light is not reaching me enough, whatever. If I bring this light close, the power of this light is going to overshadow the power of the lights in the back. So you have to always separate yourself from the background. So if you see photographers take a picture and you see that blur background thing, yeah, this is the same principle. It's called so this foreground. This is foreground. Between the camera and the table is foreground. Me, I'm middle ground because I'm in the middle. It's called mid-ground. And then there's background. So when they say blurred background, whatever, that is it. If I had something over there, you see the blur effect a little bit, but the wall is flat, so you don't see it. Check my other video where I sat on this side to record. There's a frame and there's some curtains and stuff like that. You could tell the separation and the difference. So you see the foreground, mid-ground, background. That's what you're supposed to think about when this is the only thing. The only other effect is the only other addition is editing. So yeah, just do whatever you want to do. I'm sure you'll be fine. If there's anything you want to ask, you can ask me in the comments. You can text me, you can DM me, whatever. I don't know. The only thing I can't do for you is build it for you, because I don't want to be responsible. If you die, you die. That's your own wahala, please. I don't care. I really don't care. So just be careful with electricity, because this electricity, I don't know if you've been shocked by electricity before. I'm sure you understand what I'm saying. It will shake your whole life upside down. Just be very careful, and I wish you the best of luck. If you do build this and record any video, let me know. If you're a close friend of mine and you want me to build it for you, sure, I can build it for you, but I will bill you. I will take something. Sure, I will take something. nah, seriously. Like, if you want to build it, you can text whatever. I'll guide you through it if you want. But if you're able to build something like this, you really don't need a very expensive camera. You can actually use your phone. Like I said, I wish there was a way I could like get like I'll have to try it. I could drill a hole in this thing and then stick it to my tripod so that I can record or something. If you have a phone tripod thing, try it and see. I don't know. Just try it and see. Maybe you might, so you don't need to. But the secret is that the cameras record at a higher resolution, so you get better resolution if you record by a camera. So yeah, I wish you guys all the best and everything. It's getting sweaty. I have to turn on the fan. Yes, and if you have any last pro tip, I'm begging you, last pro tip. If you have any TV, radio, fan, anything that makes the slightest noise, turn it off when you are recording, or mute it if you can. Air condition, everything, just turn it off. If your air condition doesn't make noise, lucky for you. But if you're unfortunate and your air condition makes a lot of noise, please turn it off. Turn it off, turn the TV off, or put the TV on mute, put the radio on mute, put your phone on mute, because you could be recording and I would those that will use your phone to record, I would recommend that you put it on airplane mode when you're filming, because calls are gonna come through. It's going to interrupt what you're doing. And when you finish, if you do it really well and you script what you're going to say, you could probably do it one take, like how I'm doing this, one take, boom. You don't have to edit anything. You just cut the front kakra, and if you're in the back, when you finish, you say, okay, bye-bye. And you get out to go and turn the camera off. So when you say, okay, bye-bye, you cut it off there. And then you export it or whatever. There are apps. There's an app, I think I deleted it. There's an app. I may have to do that video another day. There are a few free apps you can get and use to edit. And the thing with this app is, if you have a logo a PNG, the logo with the transparent background, you can put it on the video in the app in your phone. So if you want to post something but you don't want people stealing it and going to post it or whatever, you can use the app to try to ask me in the comments. If I'll try and get give you the, check my app store history or whatever, and yeah, app store purchased. Yeah, so good luck, and I hope you figure it out. Ooh, whatever. I know it's a lot. I know. So, let me put this aside. So, this is good. I'm tired. Whatever.